President Draupadi Murmu conferred National Service Scheme Awards 2021-2022 at Rashtrapati Bhavan today. The award was given to 52 persons for their contributions in social services. Home Minister Amit Shah, while addressing the 118th annual session of PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industries in New Delhi today, said that time has come for Indian industries to change their size scale, as this is the right time. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar met US Secretary of State Antony Blinken at State Department in Washington. India Meteorological Department (IMD) said that a low pressure area is likely to form over east central and adjoining northeast Bay of Bengal by today. India has won a total of 32 medals in Asian Games 2023 held at Hangzhou, China. These include 8 gold medals, 12 silver medals, and 12 bronze medals.